Do you want better grades, less stress, and more free time without burning out? The secret isn't studying harder. It's mastering self-discipline. In this video, you'll discover 7 practical strategies to become a more focused and disciplined student, even if you're constantly distracted or feel completely overwhelmed. 1. Set a study schedule and stick to it. Random studying equals random results. So to be a disciplined student, schedule when and where you will study. Block out time in your calendar or use an app like Notion or Google Calendar. When you assign time to study, your brain takes it seriously, and discipline is all about showing up, not about feeling like it. 2. Break tasks into tiny chunks. A 10-page assignment sounds scary, but 1 paragraph, easy. So break big tasks into micro goals and start with the smallest one. This way your brain sees achievable goals and builds momentum. Plus, once you finish that first paragraph, you'll feel motivated to keep going. Because remember, small wins equal more wins. 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. This is how to work smarter, not harder. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method where you work for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. So work hard for 25 minutes, then rest. It keeps your focus high and burnout low. 4. Eliminate digital distractions. All those pings and dings are designed to distract you. So mute notifications, turn off non-essential apps and websites, use website blockers like Freedom or Cold Turkey, and put your phone in another room. Out of sight, out of mind. Self-discipline isn't about resisting temptations. It's about removing the temptations. 5. Create a dedicated study zone. You can't focus when your environment is distracting you, so create a specific study zone. Never study in bed. Your brain gets confused. Make it a place that's clean and has everything you need for focus and learning. Train your brain to associate that space with productivity. 6. Review your goals daily. Why do you want to be a disciplined student? To pass exams, get into med school, support your family? Write your reason down and read it every day. Let it motivate you when you want to quit. You'll slip up, you'll procrastinate. That's human. But don't let that be the end of your story. One bad day doesn't mean a bad semester. 7. Forgive yourself, then get back on track. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about getting back on track when you're not. So forgive yourself, dust yourself off, and get back to your goals. Look, discipline is a skill. The more you practice it, the stronger you get. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation is great when you have it, but motivation isn't reliable. So build systems instead, because your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Now here's the truth. Students who apply the techniques we share are far more likely to stay focused, avoid burnout, and pass their exams with confidence. These methods have helped thousands improve their grades, build better habits, and take control of their academic life. If you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself, like this video and subscribe for more. Because real discipline doesn't just change your study habits, it transforms your whole future.